Welcome to DVCom Technology. In this lab, I am going to show it to you task number 13. So in task number 13, I am going to show it to you enable Linkus client. So Linkus client is nothing but it's a soft client. So you can able to install it in your mobile phone or in your desktop. There's no problem for that. So how you are going to enable the Linkus client? So now let's go and log into your PBX. Log in with admin and your password. Then click on login. So now what I'm going to do now, let's go to the settings and click on the extensions. Now if you notice here 104. So right now 104 we have not given to anyone. So let's go and do that. For 104 I'm going to use it as a soft client. So for that you just click on edit button. Then after that in the down you can see here there is a email. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the email address as, let's say seshu at datavoice.com. Then after that specify the password. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to specify the password as some personal password. This is my password. Yeah. Then after that click save. Now click on apply. Then after that what you can do, close this window, go to the Linkus. So now if you notice here there is a Linkus server is there. In case if you want to take the cloud service, you can able to take it, but it's a subscription based and you need to pay for this. And by default if you want to test it, it's available for 30 days trial. But right now I don't want to do this. I want to enable it for my internal. So I'm going to select enable Linkus server. Then click yes. Then after that it will ask you say apply. What's your local host IP? So the local host IP is 192.168.10.5. Then after that you can simply click save. Then after that go to Linkus client settings. Then if you see here there is a 104. I want to enable the Linkus client for this extension. So select that extension, then click on enable. Then click save. You can say yes. Then see here the Linkus client is enabled for 104 extension. Then click apply. Then after that, if you want to send a mail, it's very easy guys. Just click on the send email. Now if you see here, do you want to use the Aster service to send Linkus login email? Yes. So now from Aster, you are able to receive your email. See, the email has sent successfully. Then click OK. But some people what they are going to do, they are going to configure their own email address and all. So for that you just go to email and you can fill it out. So you can give your what's your SMTP and POP3 and what's your sender email address and email username and password, everything you can able to specify it. But right now I'm going to use Linkus server, so no problem for that because I'm going to use the Aster services. So through Aster service I can able to receive your email. So now I have successfully enabled for the extension 104. This is my, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Linkus client to log in this extension. Let's go and see it. So right now I have installed Linkus client in my system. So let's go and see here. There's a Linkus software over there. Open that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the extension as 104 and I'm going to enter my password p@ssw0rt_123. Then after that go to custom settings. Then here the IP address is already defined there. So simply in case if it is not there, just put the IP address of your PBX, then click save, then click login. So once this is done, now you can able to see here it's a successful login. Then after that I have read this, then click save. Now see here I can able to see my Linkus client. Now what I can do from here, I can able to make a calls to 101 or 102 or 103. Let's go and do that. So type 101, then click call. See the 10 phone is ringing now. Let's go and attend this call. Hi, I am calling from Linkus client. Then in case if you want to make a call to 102, let's go and do that. See it's showing the name as well. Perfectly all right. So in case if you want to make a call to 104 and make a call. So 104 is myself, I'm sorry for that. Let's give a call to 103 now. See, I can able to call to Joel. But here I just want to tell you one more thing. In case if I want to call outside, let's say I want to call my office number. Yeah. But here there is one issue was there. Let's go and check it that. So for example, my office number is 058 108 4235. Just give a call. See here the call is not going. So as I told you what you have to do to make a calls to outside, let's go to your extension, I mean your outgoing call route. Let's go to the settings and click on call control. Now whenever you select the call control, there is a outbound route. So now what you can do, just click on edit and make sure that 104 is added or not. See here 104 is not added, that's why you are not able to make a call. So add that, then after that click save. Now click apply. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show it to you through Linkus client how I'm going to call to my mobile number. So now let's back to your Linkus client. Now select the same number, then after that give a call. Now I'm not able to see any error or anything. Now you can able to see my phone is going to ring. Now if you see here, now I can able to attend this call. Hi, how are you? Now you can able to see here. That's what. So this is what how I can able to make a call through your Linkus client. It's very easy and simple guys. So especially you just in few clicks you can able to enable your soft client. In case if you have a VPN and all, you can use the VPN and you can able to make incoming calls, outgoing calls, whatever you want it. So this is what the purpose how you are going to use the Linkus client. So thank you for watching. For sales, please send us an email, sales@datavoice.com.